Hi everyone, greetings of the days. Nice to see you again. Welcome again to Imran Amami channel. With me Imran here. Today I would like to provide you step-by-step operating instruction of APC project cost report and breakdowns. This is also responding to many connection requests related to the project cost programs. As I explained in my previous video, this project cost program consists of 6 worksheets. This is starting from, as shown on the screen here, this is any entry templates as well as home office expense tables, and then any side expense table. Okay. Also, this program generates 4 project cost report, starting from project cost control report, and then project cash flow report, project cost balance, and last one is project cost breakdown. I will focus 3 of them. Okay, it has project cost control, project cost balance, and project cost breakdown. Okay, because they are having budget plan and contract prices, and they are holding main role to operate these programs. Okay, this is related to how to devise it. Where is the number inside the section coming from? This shall be my main concern to explain. Okay, let me start. Okay, we start with project cost control report. In this project cost control report, any description, any cost code, any contract, any budget plan, any home office divided into 4 sections, any previous month, last month, this month, should same also with side office, any previous month, last month, this month, should any account payable, any total cost, any remaining cost to the contract. To the budget plan, any remaining cost to the contract. Okay, I would like to remind you, this project cost program was made using Excel applications by optimizing its function. That's why I use its function in itself, in its section, in a project cost program, in project cost control. That shall become a guideline for you to find out where they are come from. Also, that shall become a reason that you are not allowed to fill in the data in this section, in this project cost control, manually. Okay. Therefore, the formulation inside will lead you to find out the origin space, the space where you could fill in the data manually. Okay. Let's see. This section using formulation inside, this section also, okay, this section also, this section, and all the section in the project cost control report. I divided project costs in this project cost programs, in the project cost control, into 5 big cost categories: any direct cost, any indirect cost, any petty cash, and advance, any financing cost, any loans. In the direct cost, any direct material, direct labor, direct equipment and tool. In indirect cost, any mobilization and demobilization, any home office cost, any maintenance cost, any salary and allowance, any temporary facility, any temporary material, any side expense, any direct and service cost, any insurance and income tax. Okay. In the financing cost, any corporate tax, in a loan, any loan installments, provision fees, notary fees, commitment fee, bank interest. Okay, let's focus to the board of this section. The cost in the contract sections are imported from original contracts, and the cost in the budget plan section are imported from cost estimating and budgeting. How to prepare both of them? Let me check the formulation inside the cell. Okay, any cell AK18, AK19, AK20, AK21 in the contract price section for project cost item in the direct cost, and then any cell AK23, 24, 25 till AK31 for project cost item in the indirect cost. Okay, and then any cell AN18, AN19, AN20, AN21 in the budget plan section for project cost item in the direct cost, and then any cell AN 20, 23, 24, 25 till AN 31 for project cost item in the indirect cost. Okay, let me follow the cell one by one. Okay, cell AK18, cell AN18. Basically, only two main cells in this both of sections. Okay, AK and EN. Okay, but differentiate with orderly number. Okay, let's we find out. Okay, this is cell AK18. This is cell AK18, and this is cell AN18. AN18. Okay, okay. They are included in the cost classification table. Okay, we will discuss it all, but first we would like to check cell inside this project cost item cell. Okay, okay, any cell AG18, any cell AG21, any cell AK24, any cell AG23, any cell AG31, any summation cell inside the cell starting from AG36, AG33, AG34, AG37, AG41, sorry. And any cell AL24, any cell AG26, any cell AG28, any cell AG19, any summation cell inside the cell starting from AG30, AG20, AG25, AG35, AG29, okay? Any cell AG22, any cell AG32, and the last one, any cell AG48. Okay, let's we find out this cell. Okay, this is cell AG18. Okay, inside cell, in this cells, okay, any worksheet, contract, budget, progress, cost report, and others. Okay, okay. All project costs and all project cost item in this cost classification table imported from project cost estimating and budgeting that made before this to run this project. Okay, this is all project cost and project cost item here are imported from the summary of project cost estimating and budgeting related to the program of cost estimating and budgeting I've ever posted on LinkedIn, and I've made a video also. You could check in the link provided in the video description. I classify the project cost item in the cost classification that imported from summary of cost estimating and budgeting. Okay, and I classify into project cost classifications that I've already adjusted and refer to the project cost category in the project cost program, project cost control report. Okay, okay, and here it is, the project cost classification that adjusted and refer to the project cost category in the project cost program. Okay, I said also a profit for this project. Here it is, profit for this project 239,947,205.17. This is 10% of total project cost. There is no normative rule to set a profit for the projects. This is usually enduring 10% up to 20%. This is such an attractive bargaining powers for client to set maximum profit. Any percentage, this is taken from total of each project cost item divided by total project cost here. Okay, and then any sharing profit per cost item, this is multiplication between percentage and total project profit. And it is total contract prices, this is summation between budget plan and sharing profit per cost item. I made a link for this budget plan and contract prices to this project cost report. AK18, this is the link for contract prices, and AN18, This is the link for budget plan. This is to make it easier for you to operate. Okay. Please be remembered, this is just a baseline. This is just a guideline that you could use as reference to make project cost classification as your project nature. And then budget plans shall also allocate monthly in the project cash flow years. Okay. And this is also allocate to this project cost breakdown. As I mentioned before, that project budget plan shall allocate monthly in the project cash flow report. Okay, this is basically depend on your skills and experience to allocate it properly as your project schedule. I would like to inform you the uniqueness of this project cost program, especially in project cost control report in the month of section. If you want to know expand in the previous months, because of all transaction data in this project cost program input only until May, so you have 4 months under May as your previous month. Okay, this is just purposive samples. Okay, let's say if you want to know expand in the month of April, you just type here by 4 and enter. Okay, and all transaction data in the project cost control report will change and refer to the expand in the month of April. Okay. In the month of section also affects to project cost balance in the progress number and month section. This is only record until month of April. Okay. And then if you want to know more expand in the month of March, you just type 3 here and enter. And all transaction data in the project cost control report will change and refer to the expand in the month of March. Okay, this is same also in the project cost balance in the progress number section and month section. This is only recorded until month of March. Okay, we will back again this all data in month of May. Okay, and all transaction data back again to month of May. There is more uniqueness of this project cost control report. Okay, if any expend in the project cost item exceeding budget plan and contract, they will appear in red color. Okay, and that shall become your concern to find out what causes, find solutions, and make decision. Okay. Okay, now we focus to project cost balance report. Okay. Please be remembered all section in this project cost balance equipped already with formulation inside. Okay. Means all data in this section will change automatically, refer to formulation inside the cell. Okay. In this section, you should input the data in the 4 section in this project cost balance. Okay. It is in this section progress period, in this section invoice submit date, invoice paid date, and in this section progress value with currency label here. Okay. In the section invoice submit date, invoice paid date, you could input the data manually with regard to format, year, month, and date. Okay. 2 remains in the progress period section and the progress value with currency labels. Okay, here you should track formulation inside the cells and find out where they are coming from and find out the space where you could input the data manually. Okay, and remain shall change automatically refer to data that you input in the 4 section. Okay, let me track formulation inside the cell. Okay, I would like to remind you, I focus only to the section progress period and progress value with currency label. Why? Because in post submit date section and in post pay date section, you could input manually. Okay, let's retrace formulation inside the non-payment cells. Okay, any cost breakdown worksheet in the cell G112. Okay, yes, here cost breakdown cell in the cell G112 here. Okay, here it's mean in this space you could input the data manually. Okay, and then we check in the progress value with label currency. Okay, any cost breakdown worksheet with cell G110. Okay, G110 here. Okay, yes, so means this is the space that you could input the data manually. Okay, okay, to see any change, yes, to see any change when you fill in the data in this cells provided. Okay, I would delete this data first. Okay, and then we check the change when we delete this data. Okay, this one. Okay, and this one also. Okay, see the data automatically delete. Okay, and then we back again, yes, we back again to the space where we could input the data manually, and we call the data back. Okay, okay, then you see the change and the input data back again as previous, as before. Okay, okay, we try to input the new data. Okay, we back again to the space that you could input the data manually here. Okay, let's say the progress in the month of June is 450 million. Okay, this is progress number 5. Okay, let me see the change. Okay, oh, there is no data here. First, maybe you will confuse and surprised why there is no data while you input already. Okay, let me find the key. Okay, we back to report cost control here. The key of your question is in the amount of section. Okay, you should change this number in the amount of section by 6, by type 6 here. Okay, okay, let's see the change. Okay, we back again to project cost balance. Okay, you see any change after we change in the amount of in the project cost control report. Okay, and then you input this section manually. Okay, by copy. Okay, and pass here. Let's say the period is June, 1 June, and then okay, last period in August. Yes, August. Okay, okay, you complete fill in this section. Okay, there is no data here because in this project cost program we input only until in the month of May. Okay, there is no expenditure data for this project in the month of June. Okay, that's my explanation in the two main critical sections in the project cost control report and project cost balance report. Okay, two remain in the cash flow report and cost breakdown report. There is no critical item to explain. Okay, the data in the section, in the cash flow report and the cash flow cost breakdown report will change automatically when you input the transaction data in entry section. How to input the transaction data in entry section? We back again to entry section. To input transaction data in this entry section, you are on the in 6 section here. It has number, month, location, code, description, and amount. Numbers means orderly number. Month which refers to format month, date, and year. Location, there is only 2 main locations in this project cost program. ST means site office expense. HO means home office or head office expense. Code, any 19 cost code in this project cost program. A stand for material and consumable. B stand for direct labor. C stand for equipment. C stand for equipment. D stand for tool. Until S stand for bank interest. Description of your transaction. Amount of your transaction. Okay, let's practice how to input the transaction data in this section, in this entry section. Since this entry section fills already with some transaction data, then we make this section empty first to look whether this project cost program synchronous and running well or not. Okay, then we make this section empty first. Okay, there is no transaction data in this entry section. Then we check the total in each project cost report. First, we look the total in this entry section. The total should be 0 because there is no transaction data. Okay, let me check. Okay, there is no total number here. Then we check in each project cost report. First, in project cost control report. Okay, same also, there is no transaction data here. Okay, there is no transaction data here. Okay, total cost is in 0. Okay, total cost is in 0. Okay, then in cash flow report. Okay, same also, there is no cash out actual here. Okay, here. Okay, then we check project cost balance. Okay, same also, there is no project cost data here. Okay, then the last one is project cost breakdown. Okay, same also, there is no total overall project cost here. Okay, then we back again in entry section. Okay, we will call back the deleted item. Okay, then first we check the total expenditure in this entry section. Then we check to each project cost report. Okay, yes. Okay, the total expenditure is 879,757,215. Okay, this total, it should be same with each project cost report. Okay, then we check to project cost control report. Okay, the total cost same with the total cost in entry section. It has 879,757,215. Then we move to project cash flow report. Okay, so the total is the same with the total in entry section. It has 879,757,215. Then we move to project cost balance. Okay, the total project cost is the same with total in entry section. It has 879,757,215. Okay, then the last one is in project cost breakdown. Okay, the total here, the total overall project cost is the same with entry section. It has 879,757,215. Okay, what does it mean? Means the total in each project cost reports and the total in entry sections are the same. Means these project cost programs synchronous between one and another. Means also this project cost program running well, all properly. Okay. Also, this project cost program in project cash flow is complete with bar and curve. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is presenting project cash flow report in a curve and bar. Okay. Okay, here is my explanation, step by step instruction to operate this project cost program. Hopefully it's clearly understood. However, if any question related to the project cost program, you could contact me via direct message on LinkedIn, or you could email me at imranamami@gmail.com, or you could WhatsApp me via number provided in this video description. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I was wondering if you would be able to like, comment and subscribe to my video and my YouTube channel. Also, please share this video to others so that they can take advantage of it also. Again, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.